this is another tutorial how Hamhomolayo Olalekan gets the sewing tools, the drafting materials, and let's move to class. In today's class is about how to manipulate the dart. We'll be moving the dart from the waistline to the shoulder line. From the waistline to the shoulder line. I'll be simplifying it. Very easy way to go about it. Ensure you have your grain line. Then place your pattern just like this. And you slash the waistline dart. You start from the line here at the edge here to this place, not to the point, not to the bust point. You slash it. Just stop at 1 inch before the bust point for easy drafting. Measure your shoulder line. The shoulder, I have 5 inches here. Divide it into 2. That will give you 2.5. Just mark it. And from there, take your ruler and roll to the bust point. Roll to the bust point. You can see the way I'm doing it. Cut out the entire dart of the waist. You see, I've cut it out. From the midpoint of the shoulder, from there, you slash the pattern to 2. Just like this. Place your pattern on the grain line like this and tape it down. Then you bring the dart like this. You open it up. Can you see we've transferred it to the shoulder? Simple as that. Tape this hand. The waist dart is already transferred to the shoulder, but it doesn't end there. Now we have to add the seam allowances to have a very good bust point when you are sewing. Because bust is not pointed, it's round, as I always explain to you. At this end, after the bust point, to the top, just measure 5/8 for your punch. 5/8. Give it a dot there. And your allowance here will be 1/2 inch on each side. 1/2 inch. We make 1/2 inch to that dot side, the punch side, and rule it out. That's what we're going to sew. And this end too, the same thing, to avoid 2 pointed bust joints. This is it at that end. On the shoulder, it's 1/2 inch for seam allowance. Use the ruler to mark like this. At the hand, the shoulder end 1/2 inch. As I go about it, you join it together with this. When you're sewing and joining it together, that means these allowances will be sewn together, they're coming together, and that will give you a lovely shape on the bust area here. Yeah. So your armhole is going to be half an inch for the allowance. I'll be using the ruler, just mark it, connect together easily, half an inch. The neckline is 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch, that's for the allowance for the neckline. Just use the measurement on the ruler to do it. Make the curve. Just 1/4 inch for the neckline. It mustn't be too big. And for the side, it's going to be half an inch. It's going to be half an inch to the side. For the waistline, it's going to be half an inch for your allowance. That's for the seam allowances. That's that manipulation from the waistline to the shoulder line. Just remember, this is coming together to sew. You sew them together, you join it together, and that's it. It's a simple way of that manipulation. I hope you enjoyed this class. I'm so glad you're in today's tutorial. Share this with your friends, your soulmates, and let's meet in the next class. Bye for now. Bye bye.